Welcome back to our home improvement series. In today's episode, we will be discussing the benefits of using sustainable materials when remodeling your home. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. The concept of a 100% home makeover using sustainable materials is gaining traction as homeowners become more eco-conscious. Sustainable materials not only reduce environmental impact but also promote healthier living spaces. Here's how incorporating these materials can revolutionize your home makeover. Benefits of sustainable materials. Sustainable materials, such as bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled metal, offer numerous benefits. They are often more durable than conventional materials, ensuring longevity and reducing the need for frequent replacements. This durability translates to cost savings in the long run. Additionally, these materials typically have lower levels of harmful chemicals, enhancing indoor air quality and contributing to a healthier home environment. Key sustainable materials. Bamboo. Bamboo is a rapidly renewable resource, growing much faster than traditional hardwoods. It is highly versatile and can be used for flooring, cabinetry, and furniture. Its strength and aesthetic appeal make it a favorite in sustainable home makeovers. Reclaimed wood. Utilizing reclaimed wood prevents deforestation and gives a second life to materials that would otherwise go to waste. Each piece of reclaimed wood has a unique history and character, adding a distinct charm to your home. Recycled metal. Metals like aluminum and steel can be recycled repeatedly without losing their properties. Recycled metal can be used in various applications, from roofing to fixtures, reducing the need for new metal production and conserving natural resources. Cork. Harvested from the bark of cork oak trees, cork is a renewable resource that regenerates itself. It is an excellent insulator and can be used for flooring, wall coverings, and even furniture. Practical tips for implementation. Start small. To manage costs and logistics, begin with one room at a time. Focus on high-impact areas. Kitchens and bathrooms benefit greatly from sustainable makeovers due to their high usage and energy consumption. Consult experts. Work with designers and contractors who specialize in sustainable building practices to ensure the best results. Conclusion. A 100% home makeover using sustainable materials is not only environmentally responsible but also enhances the quality and value of your home. By choosing sustainable options, you contribute to a healthier planet and create a more comfortable living space. Embrace the change and make your home a model of sustainability. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Leave a comment below with your thoughts.